Tired of manually entering every single transaction into your budget? Wish there was a simpler way to track your spending? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into how to authorize PocketGuard to connect to your bank accounts and effortlessly track your finances. PocketGuard is a fantastic budgeting app that helps you understand where your money is going. But to truly unlock its power, you need to authorize it to access your financial data. This might seem daunting at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think. And with PocketGuard's robust security measures, you can rest assured that your information is safe and sound. Imagine a world where your budget updates automatically. No more manual entry, no more missed transactions, just a clear and concise picture of your financial health. That's the promise of PocketGuard, and today, I'm going to show you how to make it a reality. Step-by-step guide. Open the PocketGuard app. Start by opening the PocketGuard app on your phone or tablet. You should see a screen welcoming you or asking you to log in. If you're new to PocketGuard, go ahead and create an account. Connect accounts. Once logged in, you'll likely see a prompt to connect your bank accounts. Tap on it to begin the process. You might see options like Connect Bank or Add Account. Choose your bank. Next, you'll need to select your bank from the list. If your bank isn't listed, don't worry. PocketGuard supports a wide range of financial institutions. Enter login credentials. You'll then be directed to a secure login screen. Enter your online banking username and password. Don't worry, PocketGuard uses industry-standard encryption to protect your information. Verify your identity. Your bank may require an additional step for security purposes. This could involve entering a one-time code sent to your phone, answering a security question, or verifying your identity through another method. Grant permissions. After successfully logging in, you'll need to grant PocketGuard permission to access your account information. This usually involves clicking a button like Allow or Authorize. Review and confirm. PocketGuard will then display a summary of the information it will be accessing. Carefully review this information and click Confirm or Connect if everything looks good. Troubleshooting tips. Connection issues. If you encounter any connection issues, double-check your internet connection. Sometimes, restarting the app or your device can also resolve minor glitches. Bank support. If you're having trouble connecting your bank, reach out to their customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot any issues on their end. Security concerns. If you have any security concerns, refer to PocketGuard's privacy policy and security measures. They outline how they protect your data and maintain compliance with industry standards. Benefits of authorizing PocketGuard. Automated budgeting. Say goodbye to manual entry. PocketGuard automatically categorizes your transactions, making budgeting a breeze. Real-time insights. Get instant updates on your spending, income, and net worth. This allows you to make informed financial decisions. Customized goals. Set and track financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. PocketGuard provides the tools and motivation to achieve your objectives. Spending alerts. Receive alerts when you're approaching your budget limits or exceeding spending thresholds. This helps you stay on track and avoid overspending. So, there you have it. Authorizing PocketGuard is a simple yet powerful step towards taking control of your finances. Don't let manual budgeting hold you back any longer. Give PocketGuard a try and experience the difference for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.